morning, beautiful world. Welcome to Haven's Homestead and MSU Bully, baby. Yay. We know how to do it, man. We got our Freedom Rangers being freedom without the ranging. Yay. It's time to unleash the beast. Let them birds out. Who let my birds out? What's up, little mini-meezos? Mini-me-me's? What's up with the mini-mizzo and the hizzo? Give him 50 feet, Juju. Give him 50 feet, Juju. Move. Now, Juju, move. You're scaring him, Juju. He's like, that's my point. I keep him in checkmate, man. Let him know Daddy's on the job. Damn it, this little Pokemon done got me poked up. Stung my fingers with some ass donation. Why you got my rooster hiding? Why my rooster hiding? Come on, rooster. What the hell is that going down? Hold on, buddy. Hold on. You alright, player? He's like, now I'm gonna run shit. Now I'm free. Juju! Unleash the beast! Yeah. Freaks are out for summer. Freaks are out. Good guy. Good job not barking. Welcome to the real world, baby. Why so serious? Why so serious? Juju, Junior, stop being a check moto photo. Leave my girlfriend alone. Now, come with us. We're fixing to get all of our live birds out of the incubator. All of these guys are fixing to go in their brooder I've been building for outside. I'll finish it in the next hour or two. But right now, I have to... What's up, Jerky the turkey? That's Jerky the turkey. Right now, I have to unleash an Indica gigantica. They just hatched out of the hatchery, which is the biggest bird in the Rio. Yay. We got none but purebreds. 3 layers in the hatcher of purebreds, and I'm fixing to get out. I just unloaded about 60 of them yesterday, and now more have hatched. So come with us on the live feed and check us out. Peace!